Welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today, we are going to practice a technique called focusing meditation. Focusing is a method developed by psychologist Eugene Gendlin. He noticed that the things that trouble or confuse us aren't always in our conscious thoughts. Often, they are held in our bodies, in subtle, hard to describe sensations, or what he called felt sense. Focusing meditation is about gently noticing these inner signals and listening to them, letting them guide us toward clarity, release, and understanding. It is not about thinking hard or analyzing or fixing anything. It is just about giving yourself the space to feel, notice, and respond with curiosity and care. Do not worry if you have never done this before. I will guide you through every step. Why should you do this? Well, life moves fast, and we get caught up in thoughts, stress, plans, and our body and mind hold tension that we often do not notice. Focusing helps you slow down, tune in, and let your inner world speak. It can help you understand a confusing feeling that you can't really put your finger on. Or it can help you to release tension and stress, give clarity on choices or situations, make you feel more present and connected to yourself. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground, or lie down on a soft surface. Whatever feels supportive. Rest your hands comfortably on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes if that feels safe, or soften your gaze. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling gently through the mouth. Let your shoulders melt and feel the weight of your body being fully supported by the floor or the chair. Notice any tension or tightness without trying to change it. Simply allow yourself to be present with your body as it is right now. Take a few more slow breaths, feeling the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Let your mind settle and let the busyness of your day fade into the background. This is your time. Now, imagine creating a calm, safe space inside yourself. A little inner room where you can meet feelings without judging them. Notice what is alive in you right now. Perhaps there is tension in your shoulders, a flutter in your chest, heaviness in your stomach, or even a vague sense of unease. Acknowledge it gently. I notice you. Thank you for being here. You can imagine placing each feeling on a soft cushion in this inner space. There is no rush. The space is safe for you to simply be. Bring your attention to one particular feeling, something that is subtly alive inside your body. It might be tightness, heaviness, pressure, or restlessness. Do not label it yet or try to solve it. Just simply notice its qualities. Is there any shape, texture, temperature, movement? Is it heavy or is it light, dense or airy, tight or loose? Observe it with curiosity. This is your felt sense, your body's way of holding information that your mind might not fully understand yet. Once you feel the sensation clearly, give it a simple word, a phrase, or a short image that captures it. It does not need to be perfect, just something that helps you refer to this felt sense. For example, you might call it tightness, pressure, cloudiness, restlessness. Say it quietly to yourself. Feel whether this word fits the sensation in your body and adjust your verbal handle for your feeling until it feels right. Check in with your felt sense. Ask silently, does this word, image, or phrase match you? Notice how the felt sense responds. Maybe it relaxes, shifts, or expands. Maybe it resists. That's okay. Keep adjusting until the word or the image resonates with your inner experience. This is the connection between your body and mind, a place of understanding without judgment. Now gently ask your felt sense, what do you need from me? What are you trying to communicate? Wait and listen. You might notice words, images, memories, or subtle shifts in sensation. There is no pressure for an answer. Just let it emerge naturally. You can also ask, what is it that makes me feel so? And then you use your handle, restless, tight, or pressured, whatever it is. Whatever arises, welcome it. Say silently, thank you. I hear you. Notice how your body feels now. Sometimes the felt sense softens, moves, or shifts. Even if nothing obvious changes, you're still practicing listening, which is powerful in itself. Stay with the felt sense as long as you like, fully receiving whatever is present. When you feel complete, gently release the felt sense and bring your attention back to your breath and to your body in the room. Feel the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if needed. And open your eyes when you're ready. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you are a little calmer, more present, or more connected to yourself. Remember, focusing meditation is a tool you can return to anytime, helping you to understand your feelings, release tension, and gain clarity. Thank you